What is a squirting cucumber? Yeah, it's a plant that squirts at you. It explodes when it is touched. The ripe plants, of course, will do that. So let us, instead of talking, doing it. I will try to find a ripe plant and press it. No, it's not ripe. I may be able to find the right plant here. I'm touching it. No. No. Oh, that was ripe! Squirted on me. When they squirt, it means they're dying. It fell. It practically killed itself. I know. I want to do another one. It's fun. Oh, again. That's how it is. It's a funny plant. I may grow it just for the joke, for the sake of it. Oh, I love that. Let me take a few of these just for the seed. Very ripe ones. Take a few for the sake of the seed. Oh, another one squirted at me when I was collecting you. Squirting seed. So as you see, they have squirted already. So if you want to have a few, you have to get more than, because they get rid of the seed very easy. If I'm lucky, I may end up with some seeds in them.